Hello and welcome to this video. Here we are going to discuss that we have basically built a web application which can read a CSV file, parse it, and show the content of that to the user. So let's just first start it. Right, so let's just understand the folder structure. So this is our config folder where we are in this folder we generally have everything that we need to configure in our project. So we only need our database, so we are configuring our database here in controller. So controllers have the action that is mapped to our routes, right? So we have only two controllers, that home controller which is performing some action related to the home route, and the web file controller which is performing some action basically for the routes related to the files. So let's just see in model we have only one database schema that as of now we are using. So we have created only one database schema, and it has only two field, file path and file name. File name will be storing the file name, and file path will be storing that where my file is. And we have this multi-doc disk storage functions. Using this we will be uploading our file, right? We are checking that the file extension should be .csv, that then only we will be uploading in our local system machine, right? So that we don't overload it. And we have one function, one static function, so that we are basically exporting this with registering this in our schema, so that we can use it, right? We can use it while we will be creating anything in our database. This is the path that we are also exporting, so that we can use this also. So here we are registering our schema with the name CSV file in our database, and we are exporting it so in module, so that we can use it from module. And let's just see what's route. So in routes we have this entry point. So this at home, it is basically calling a home controller, right? As we discussed earlier, home controller consists the action mapped with home routes. And I'm saying to use file. So file contains all the routes related to file, and it is creates a file and search, and we have mapped the action related to this in our controllers, right? So I think this is our upload folder, which will be which will have with all the file that that the user is uploading, and we have just exposed this file, using express statics. Yes, we have exposed this file. So since everything fine, let's just directly test our application, right? So our application is running on localhost 9000. Let me go there. So I've already uploaded 3 files, so it's showing me 3 files. So let's just try to upload a file of JPG format. Let's see whether it's getting uploaded or not. It's giving me a warning that we cannot upload .txt file. I need to upload CSV file only, and that makes sense because we are only going to parse a CSV file here, right? So let's just I have this folder, right? Okay, yeah, so this, let's just upload this and see the file is uploaded successfully. Let me go back and again refresh. See, if I will be clicking on this, it will be displaying all the content of this file here, right? So as you can see, we have all the content of that file. Let's just search something, and let me just search using this name, because I'm just searching mentioning there that search by name. So we are getting that particular row. If I don't search by anything, it should be displaying everything, right? So seems fine till now here. Okay, so thank you so much.